My name is Ido Riklin. I'm directing a new production of Ariadne auf Naxos by Strauss. Now, in 2025, we have to find a new way to approach entertainment. And we thought, how can we put on stage a world which is completely clashing with the world of classical opera?
For this opera, the Ariadne, it's the most mixed design which I ever have to confront. We wanted something very strong, very manly.
When Oren did the sketches of the sea god, we said, oh my God, because we know it won't work. Not with leather, not with fabric.
A lot of options.
We thought a lot, and then we decided to go for the newest, most modern way of producing costumes, 3D printing.
When Oren approached me with his vision, I immediately knew we can make it happen. This project pushed us to do more than we have ever done before with our textile technology. We were able to create a design that was flexible, yet realistic, with the desired colors straight out of the printer, ready for sewing. With 3D fashion technology, we enable design freedom at the most, and I can't wait to see how it will inspire the performing arts industry in the future.
It's everything that we thought it should look like. Every color, every shape, everything is possible. And it's like the future. So you're looking about the future, and it's here and it's now, and it's exciting to be part of it.
We've never done anything like it here. You have to watch it, it's amazing. We are in the 21st century for sure.